Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to OKX. So first thing you have to do is log into your OKX and then go to your asset or wallet. Select deposit and choose USDT as the currency. Select TON, the open network, as the network to avoid unnecessary fees, and then copy the USDT deposit address generated by OKX. After that, open your Tonkeeper app and navigate to your USDT balance. Tap on Send to initiate the transfer. In Tonkeeper, paste the OKX deposit address you copied and make sure to double check that the address is accurate, as errors can lead to a loss of funds. And after reviewing, you just have to tap on Continue to confirm the transaction. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!